What's good, family? Back with Road to 10K. And if we woke up, we are blessed. But I just wanted to update you all on how everything's going. We are currently sitting at 886. And I made a few purchases, paid some bills. So yeah, we're sitting at 886. I'm gonna show you guys what we grabbed. And also got my morning prayer in. If you wake up, get your prayer in. Just be thankful, because a lot of people weren't blessed today to wake up. So that's a blessing in itself. Got my morning prayer in. Went to the gym with my boy and my wife. So yeah, man, feeling blessed. Ready to conquer the day. Getting ready to head out to work. And then once I'm done with work, I'm gonna come back, put some more work in, because we got the gym out of the way. When you get the gym out of the way early, feel good, man. Hit legs, was toast. But yeah, let me show you guys what we went ahead and grabbed. And as I stated before, 886 is where we're standing right now. Got a few cleanings that I need to get done, and then that number will jump. So we picked up these Travis Scott 6s, the British khakis. This is a size 9.5, very clean. Yeah, that's clean. I'm probably gonna ice the bottoms to increase the value on these bad boys. But size 9.5, if you want them now, I got them sitting at $235 like this. No OG box, but it has these. It has this one. I don't know if they come with extra laces. I probably should have did some research on that. But yeah, I got these 9.5 sitting at $235. 9.5 sitting at $235. This is a steal. Go look at the retail price, or not the retail price. Go look at what market's at, and yeah, you can get you some Travis Scott 6s, British khaki, in great condition. A good summer shoe. So if you're looking to purchase this, you know what to do. Just hit me in the DMs. And if you aren't local, we can get it shipped out to you. Second, I grabbed these Dunks. I don't know if they're gray fogs, but this is size 9, no box. These will be posted soon, or I should say eventually, once I get around to clean them. Size 9, gray, good summer shoe. I'll probably post these around like 60, 55, 60. So an affordable shoe that you can wear in the summer. Gray goes with pretty much everything. And then lastly, I grabbed these boys right here. I gotta finish cleaning these as well. Get them icy, more icy. And yeah, grab these for a good price. So I'll probably post these for around, what are we thinking? Maybe like 125, 130. Go look at market, 125, 130. Iced them. I grabbed some new laces for them as well. The laces are here. So yeah, that's what we've been up to. Currently sitting at 886.